Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you with your time. Guys, let's make this tangerine together. Yeah, I have my egg, so I'm just put it inside the bowl. The next thing I will add sugar, so I'm going to stir together, just mix before I will add my milk. So the next thing is milk. Make sure it's well combined before you add the milk. Yeah, I have my milk. I just add it also, and I will continue the mixing. So now I just add my oil as well. So I still keep on repeating the same mixing. Yeah, cake is full of mixing. So now I'm going to stick my flour. It's better to stick flour, guys. So I'm going to stick my flour now, and I add my baking powder also. So I still before I continue the stirring. Now I'm going to mix. Now I finish with the sticking, so I'm just going to mix everything together before I add my vanilla extract to this recipe. So this recipe I put vanilla extract also. So you can also put vanilla powder. Depends on what you want. It doesn't really matter. So I keep on mixing everything together. I'm going to add my vanilla extract into it now. So I will keep on mixing together. When I'm done with the mixing, I will just go and put butter on my bowl so that it can be easy to remove when the cake is already baked. Guys, if you watch me to this moment, thank you, I appreciate. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share to friends and family. God bless you as you do so. Let's continue the work, guys. Yeah, I'm putting butter on my moon so that it can be easy, as I said earlier. Now I'm going to pour my cake inside the pan. This cake will go for 180 degrees for 30 to 32 minutes, guys. So I already put my oven on for 6 to 7 minutes before I will put the cake. So I just shake everything together. Yeah, I'm just putting my fruits. You know, we are making fruit cake, so I'm just decorating it. Yeah, our cake is ready to go to the oven, guys. It look beautiful, right? So yeah, our cake is ready. It look yummy. Let's remove it and see what we have inside. Yeah, let's check it together, guys. So let's remove it out of the pan. So yeah, I'm going to remove it. So I already turn it. I'm going to put powder sugar on it to give it more flavor, of course. Yes, let's do that, guys. So I really appreciate you watching this video. Let's cut it and see what we have. Guys, this cake tastes amazing. Try it and let me know what you think about this recipe. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.